What up, guys? So in my last video I just got this Hero 9 GoPro and I wanted to remove, thinking I was going to do it really quickly, the lens cover because I know it's replaceable, and I just YouTube searched it and this guy had a video and he's like, just twist counterclockwise, and that was all he said. Like, it was just popped out. The trick isn't just turning it counterclockwise because it's not going to do anything. You got to actually, if you see, pull out a little bit and then turn counterclockwise. So that's the movement. So as you see, just turning counterclockwise isn't doing shit, just so you know. That guy didn't say that. The secret handshake in this is actually pulling it out a little bit. And as you see, there's like a little gap. You could see the silver right there, and then turn. And that initiates the cover popping off. So I hope that helps, because that one guy's video didn't explain it properly to where it worked. And then, so to put it back on, there's basically this little area. So you see, I don't even know what the secret handshake with this guy is. I'm just going to put it on the same way. Let me see. I'm learning together. So you just kind of, it just kind of seats in, and you'll figure it out. That's pretty easy to put it back on. I don't think you'll have an issue with that. But as I said, this just pushing counterclockwise, not going to happen. You got to pull out a little bit. So like you push back in, as you see right now. You can see a little bit of the metal, that little metal right there, the shiny silver. But if you just push this way, boom, and pushing down like that, it's not going to work. So pull out a little bit so you can see a little bit more. And then once that happens, whoop, then push. And there you go. And then camera go back on again, boom. And I would just push it in a little bit just to make certain that it's sealed. And now as you see, it's locking. Sorry, this was driving me nuts because I just watched this guy's video and it just didn't work. And it's like, dude, it's not just a 5-second video of just turning it counterclockwise and that's the shit that works. That didn't work. So pull it out again, pull out a little bit so you can see more of the metal, and then twist, and that's the trick to getting this little cover off the Hero 9. And again, simply kind of put it at an angle, and then you'll see it kind of seat back into place. Here, whoop. You'll kind of see it seat back into place, and you'll feel it. It's kind of a feeling thing. You'll feel it sitting in the groove the right way, and it will just kind of snap on, and then push down, and good to go. It's not going anywhere. That's it. Hero 9, baby. That's it for the lens cover removal. So again, not just twisting, pulling out a little bit, showing that little metal piece to reiterate. So pull out a little bit, try to get your fingernails in there, and then just turn. Boom. Okay, that's it. Aloha.